Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to easily restore and write new flash on your iPhone 7 or 7s, wherever. And the operation is quite easy to do. First you're gonna go to Apple site and download the latest version of iTunes. And now get your USB cable, plug it to your computer, turn off the device, plug USB cable to your phone, and press and hold home and volume down button together. Release it. As you see, we have a boot option, and now you only click to restore. This is my language, but you have a restore or actualization. Click to restore, OK, and new firmware will be go on your phone. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel. See you by next video. Hey.